Sveiki visiem, ar jums jūsu mīļā Anka Play, un šodien es filmēju ikdienu ar draudzenēm. Lūdzu!
Sveiki visiem!
Te ar jums atkal Anka Play, jeb Superaņā, un manas labākās draudzenes
Krista, Sandija, Kate!
Jā!
Sveiki visiem, te ar jums Kate! Es gribēju pateikt, ka mēs filmēsim mūsu ikdienu.
Kate?
Oi, atvainojiet, es sajaucu, es neesmu Kate, bet es esmu Kristā. Te ar jums Aņkas Play, labākā draudzenē Kate. Un Aņa, atnāk lūdzu pie manī. Čau! Vai tev labi videoklipi?
Jā,
Tev labi videoklipi, ja?
Es zinu.
Paskrienām uz ātrumu! Viss pasaules ir vienas mūsu. Viss pasaules ir. Čau, visiem!
That you know, and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Čau! Čau! Sveiki! Mēs atkal esam klāt, un mēs spēlēsim spēli. Ķeramies! Es esmu vodā. Tu vodā? Jā! Tikai pa šejieni!
Tu man nepieskāries.
Tikai pa šejieni. Te?
Mājiņa,
vodā.
Mājiņa, nepieskāries.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
What does it?
It's been a long day
Oh, Dievs,
without you.
Sveiki! Jūs ar mani runājat? Reku redzat? Sveiki, Sandija, taļā! Neizbilojāt. Te mūsu atkal ikdienas.
Do this. Go!
Visiem sveiki, ka Sandija runā! Pizdolē, nothing.
From my side when they get them, taking them out, when I'm taking them out, I'm gonna hit them, women jumping, looking at the radical, then I'm setting my style, I'm putting them back around, when I'm making them around, when I'm coming to get them, breaking them up, when it's becoming an enemy, telling incredible lyrical, putting me up, when I'm coming, you're not be dumping around, when I'm double the store, holding my dollar, my title, I'm making a vital, and then I'm getting them on the side, I'm hanging them up, when I'm coming to bottom me, that'll be dumb in the fact, I can't be stupid, step when I'm taking the weapon away from rap, when I'm dope, venom, capping, I'm packing, and grabbing, rapping, and choke. Stupid committee of rappers, when I'm lyrical enemy, soon be stepping away, and I'm making it better, and then I'm stepping to get them, egging them up, when I'm picking them up, when I'm taking them out, when I'm be staking them out of my academy, get them better, and later, when you want to be stepping to me, when I hit them, conjure back around on the floor.
Un atkal esam atgriezušās.
Jā, klausieties.
Dievs! Kas viņam ir?
Bļaļ, meitenes, jūs pirksiet